Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed on this show by the host, ICEs, do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests, yes, do not reflect those of the host and the channel.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the podcast. First and foremost, I'm your host, MJ. Don't go alone on the red couch. I have my boy.
My name is MQ. Guys, once again we are at the red couch with MJ and also NQ. Unfortunately, today I'm not with MJ. He has some personal issues that he had to attend. However, today we have an amazing guest. He's, I don't know if I'm going to say this right, but I'm going to say it because he's a social media influencer, according to me. He's also a traditional healer, right?
100%.
Yes. So we invited him over because we feel like he has been helping a lot of people. Since he's from Ngamakhutha, I'm also from Ngamakhutha. I said, you know what? Because my podcast is coming back, let me just go for someone who's local. Let me just go to someone who's been helping us, you know, because I feel like to be very realistic, I'm coming for everyone. Kansai Ngamakhutha is not doing what she's supposed to be doing. You've been doing a lot.
Yeah.
It's like you're getting money from Holman when you're not getting money from Holman. So just a quick one. Who would you say Lloyd is this person? Who is Lloyd?
Lloyd owakamiyaza ngokwesibongo. Kodwa uLloyd uGhost amaGhost.
Okay.
I think ngithi uLloyd uGhost amaGhost, igama elithi Ghost amaGhost liyasamarize yonke into yabo. Ngoba negama lelithi iGhost liqhamuka khona la emgaqweni. Mekuthiwa mokhona into ovunyiwe ngayo kuthiwa uyiGhost yabo. So mina ngiGhost yamaGhost.
Okay. I get that part, which is amazing. You have that name. However, I wanna ask you a quick one. Where is it coming from? Who initiated the name to be yours?
Fethu leli gama nje elaqhamuka nje esidlangaleni yabo kwasho kona ukuthi khona nomunye umthito kuthiwa uNdabe uqwaba uGumedo wasemlazi yabo naye wayebiza ngoGhost amaGhost yabo nami ngizibiza ngoGhost amaGhost yabo but akekho umuntu owafika kumina wathi wena ngiyakuqamba namhlanje wena uGhost amaGhost.
Makes sense. A quick one. Abantu abaningi I know ukuthi uphuma kwaMakhutha. Do people know ukuthi uphuma kwaMakhutha?
Yeah, I'm always posting ukuthi ngiphuma kwaMakhutha but abanye bangasho ukuthi hayi kwaMakhutha mhlawumbe sikwazi ukuthi ukhula but originally ngazalelwa kwaMakhutha ngo1991. Ngahlala kwaMakhutha most probably until 97 sesilahlekelwe baba ngapha sengisuka kwaMakhutha siya ngasesilungwini ngaze ngabuya kwaMakhutha ngo2006 sengizohlala khona until ngize nami ngishadelwe ngibe nomuzi wami.
Oh, you married?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. You're a family man. So before we even get to your family, as I told you, because we did our research very well, we have a researcher behind the podcast, someone who go Arts Day and research about you. Go to your comments, not something bad, just questions. I'm sure with these questions I'm going to ask you, your fans or the people that follow you, rather, are going to be very happy for you to answer them on public platforms.
No problem.
So what has helped you to where you are today? How did it work out for you? What did you do? For a small ghost, Yama-Ghost, who's actually, you know, growing up, what can you say to that person? What has helped you to make it in life? Because I know you have a lot of cars. I know you have a house in Bumbuli that is beautiful. That is like umhlanga. Actually, so apparently, allegedly, you brought some umhlanga straight to Bumbuli. So what have you done? Or would say perseverance, or would say consistency. But I'm sure you have a different story when it comes to that.
No, I would say but I've always been umuntu mina o set up my goals and always make sure that I reach my goals set up my targets ngenze short meet my targets but I'll also say mfethu ukuthi into uthando mfethu iyakhulisana iyawazi ukugqumana ikubeke ube sendaweni right because ngihlezi ngisho mfethu if if angizange ngaze ngashada nonkosikazi wami lo ngishade naye manje most probably I wouldn't be where I am today yabo nto leyo ngoba uyena umuntu obehleze ngigqugquzela emotivate njalo wena abanye bengakholelwa kumina bengazi kodwa ukuthi mengigoduka mfethu behlezi ngumuntu okholelwayo kumina ngikwazi ukubreak down sukulami kanjani nani even way before ngingasho ukuthi I started making amanye ama-dreams ami into reality ngoba 2014 2013 that's when I met her yabo so now she's played a big impact empilweni yami ekutheni ukuthi ngibe lo muntu engiyena namhlanje yabo because even if she wasn't next to me engabe kade ngaqhuzuka endleleni
really
yabo into leyo yeah
no it's understandable. Number 2, what can you okay I think you've answered the question already. You have said that your wife keeps you going. You go back to your wife and then you feel it easy. You feel okay. You feel loved and respected. Number 3, what is one thing that you regret in your life?
Hey, one thing I would regret in my life, I'm full of manga. Is ukuthemba abantu bethu yabo khona abantu engabathemba empilweni yami ongamelanga ngibathembe empilweni yami yabo and if ngiye ngibuke ezinye izinto ezenzakalayo empilweni yami ukuthi ngaba azenzeki if angizange ngimthembe usibanibani nosibani.
Would you like to name and shame?
Yes.
Would you like to name and shame?
Yeah. I don't like naming and shaming, you know.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, I'm not that type of person.
Also, so our researcher found out there's possibilities, or it's a question actually. Is it true that you are about to take a second wife?
No. It's false.
It's false.
It's false. I'm always joking around that it's false.
Okay. What do you think people believed you? Do you think they just believed you, or because they feel like you're not public with your relationship as much as you are? Because when I went through your page, I've seen you're not a man who's gonna go and advertise the family like it's Nje, no you post your wife every day, but we can see your wife is there. You understand? We can see you are married, but you're not that man who's gonna post at any given time. So do you think people thought you are taking a second wife just because you're not public with your relationship or your marriage, or do you think what's that?
No, I think it's not because I'm post or not public I'm post. It's also not because bathanda indaba or what kunalento lena abantu abamnyama abanye bakholela kuyona ukuthi meke waba wealthy or meke waba nemali or meke waba isangoma or inyanga waba nonkosikazi sukukhona umuntu unkosikazi wesibili ozoza yabona le so I think iyona into edlala engqondweni zabo lezo ekubuka ukuthi alobo umuntu lo usebenzile 1 2 3 4 5 njengoba kuthiwa unkosikazi wakhe uyabuya mhlawumbe athi hamba uthatha umuntu unkosikazi wesibili kuzoba lula yabona leyo ngenxa yokuthi yonke into isikhona vele everything is there already yabo.
I think that's a very good topic that you just touched on. You just said ukuthi every time if umuntu eyisangoma or eyinyanga rather people usually assume ukuthi uzoba nesithembu. You understand? Do you think isithembu sabantu abasuke beyinyanga or izangoma, if umuntu is taking his temple, is because of the ancestral or the ancestors saying go take a second wife? Do you believe that is possible to happen, or rather umuntu suke enza just because he chooses to do so or they chooses to do so?
I would put a comment in a way yokuthi angazi ukuthi basuke becabangani, angazi ukuthi nokusuke kusha amandla zabo nani into engengwazi ukuthi ngiyiphendula
ngoba essentially ukuthi wena as someone who has experience in that and umuntu onabantu abadala, right?
Yeah.
Do you think it's possible for abantu abadala bakho come one day bethi you know what, we want a second wife now? Do you think it's possible for that to happen?
Anything is possible. Yabo? Yeah. Anything is possible. Bangafika bangangafika mina ngiyakholelwa abantu abadala mina yabo. If my sister bayafika kumina, obviously I'd pass it through to my wife abantu leyo, but mina ngilomuntu onenkani, ngilomuntu lo oliphikisayo mina edlozi yabo. Izinto zami eziningi engizenzayo ngizenza through inkani yami nokuforsa kwami yabo. because at the end of the day ngihlezi ngiyitshela ukuthi phela nami ne-lifestyle engifuna ukuyiphila yabo.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
ngeke ulokhu uhlezi uvuma yonke into uma ngithamba uthatha omunye umakoti now usuyahamba uthwala ikhanda lakho ola nomunye umakoti la.
Oh, yeah.
What about your lifestyle? What about your own personal dreams and goals osafuna uwasetha wena empilweni yakho manje nawe nkosikazi wesibili manje nayo sela uzofinyelela kanjani lento leyo yabo.
I think that's a good thing that you've literally said now, because I think umuntu ozohlala akubuke manje, you're literally giving us an idea ukuthi you can say no to certain things and then you can say yes to certain things.
Yeah.
In other words, you can't always be driven by amadlozi. Now you're allowed to say this I can't.
I think that's where most of the people tend to go wrong kule nto lezi zedlozi nani yabo. Umuntu ahlezi la elidlozi njalo kanti nawe ugcine nomuntu yabo nto leyo.
Yeah.
Khona ama-rules emele uwa-break indlela thizeni ukuze nawe uzoba happy ekugcineni. Because can you imagine mfethu wenza into ngenxa kuthiwa amadlozi athi yenze leyo nto leyo, then wena what about your personal life? What about you kusasa lakho now? As much as leli kubona, but now you must have a say kunto ofuna ukuyenza.
That makes sense. Have you always been a person who wanna be on the public eye, or it just happened naturally? You never really had an idea? Ukuthi one day I will be this big guy on social media and also be a big guy on the pockets as well.
Le mali vele ngangazi mina vele ngizoba nayo vele.
Obviously, yes.
Lokho into ehambisana ne-goal nama-dreams onawo yabo.
Yeah.
Like most of the things that I'm doing now are things that I would have loved for my parents to do for me yabo into leyo. So leyo njabulo leyo mina engangifisa ukuthi ngibe nayo mina sengiyayisabalalisa to kwabanye abantu. Ngifuna abanye abantu bafile ngendlela mina engizofila ngayo nami isikhathi nami ngisemncane ngisafunda ngisakhula whatever yabo. So social media, I don't really care about social media. I think quite being addicted with Facebook.
I remember I saw that part.
I shall more am and during the space of time, ngaba nesikhathi ukuthi ngwazi ukuthi ngiphahle ngifike namanye ama products amasha ngikwazi ukuyosayina ama deal ukuthi ngisupply abanye abantu yabo. But if ngangisakhona nginqunema iphithizela kakhulu. So I needed leso sikhathi leso ukuthi ngihlehle nami ngikwazi ukuthi yabo. The yokwaziwa ke on the roads or basekhaya noma ke ayisho lutho mina yabo, it doesn't mean anything nje at all. Anginandaba nje ngalokho ukuthi ngidumile nana.
You're not taking it serious.
No.
Like ukuthi mhlambe it's something that you have to be happy about. You just a normal person.
We eat the same things nje. Sisadla isiphefumula what? Ubhonjiswa udlayo nami ngiyawudla amaso wadla nami ngiyawudla yabona
No,
la.
it makes sense.
So manje ikephi why kumele ngikhukhumale mfethu yabo. Ingakungena nama bodyguard anginama bodyguard.
Okay. That's why now vele.
Ngizowenza.
You have a lot of money.
So
It's not safe. South Africa, we got
what's yourself?
everything is not safe.
If I'm a traditional healer and I mina ngithi wena waza ngizokuqinisa man. Ngizokuqinisa mina ukuthi ungathinteki la. So why don't I do the same thing kumina?
Oh yeah.
Yabo, because
won.
yabo ndole it's like going enkantolo. Ngeke ade ngisenkantolo nini manje? Ayi ngisenkantolo on Wednesday last week. Yeah, Wednesday last week ngisenkantolo. Ngiboshwa omunye umama nje. Yabo, naye ngisanganele umama loyo thizeni. I had no lawyer. Yabo, umuntu obengimele mina. Ngangena ecaleni, ngayisho into ngisho ecaleni, ngaphuma. Yabo.
Okay.
Ayikho into wrong lebengiyenzile vele to even begin with, yabo.
Yeah.
So ile nto ngisho ukuthi wena mozithembile wena uhlezi ku front line, yabo.
Yeah.
Ngeke ngigadolani futhi. No.
Okay. A quick one. It's been some time.
Yeah.
People saw you jumping into helping someone on social media. Is it because you feel as if now people are using you? Because you can't say you're broke. Definitely you can't say that. Is it because now you feel used in a way? Or you've just decided there was no one to do it anymore? Because you're not obligated for you to do it. Really, at the end of the day. No one said you're obligated. You were just helping out. You were just jumping in as a citizen of South Africa. helping out yabona ukuthi people there's actually poverty in South Africa. So you were just like, you know what, as a citizen of South Africa, I need to actually come in and help where I can. But now, why I said stop?
I did it when no one was looking. I did it when people were looking. I'm still doing it. I'll never stop. About less.
Sense.
If I could go on my bank statement right now, bank statement I'm keep it bank statement 3 months, 500 pages.
Wow.
Because every day I'm always helping out. I mean, it's going every day. Every day. I don't know who I'll see on the robots. I don't know who I'll see wherever. They'll keep on running. It's just that someone that I understand man. I'm too busy to read my comments. I'm too busy to go in the inboxes. But I do read inboxes. But it's just that not everyone will come back and say, hi. Like just the other day I was buying school shoes for some other lady's daughter on Facebook. I'm extra for ages. My interview every single day. About 9 months my interview.
No.
I'm always throwing that 100 rand, that 50 bucks, that whatever.
Yeah. And also, I want to know what can you say to people who are badala, unemployed, people who look up to you, for especially family men who can't afford their family, who can't afford to take care of their wives, who can't afford to take care of their kids. It's so bad to look at Baba Umdala at home, not being able to afford their kids, their family, not being able to bring the bread and butter at home and actually take care of his family. What that's 2 sentences or 3 sentences that you can say to that man just to keep them going?
I mean, you gotta start somewhere.
Ne?
You need to start somewhere. Zama ukwenza into ezokwazi ukuthi ihlanganisele u3000 ukuthi uhambe uyothenga umshini ogunda utshani ukuze la aroundini sizogundela wena utshani. Yabona leyo. Ngiyephatheka kabuhlungu mina mehlezi kufika abantu lapha esigodlweni athi umuntu uzocela umsebenzi. Mase ngithi mina kuyena okay fine. How about this yabo? Uzokuthengela umshini, wena umshini mina uzorentela 100 rand ngosuku. Wena uzothatha umshini uhambe uyogunda utshani wena. Imali oyenzayo ogunda utshani eyakho. When you just need to bring 100 rand back to me. So me calculate 100 rand lo times up by 30, 3000 lo a month. When I make one sell 100 rand every day. Ngamanye amazwi wabuyisa lo 3000 umshini sokowakho. Ngamanye amazwi mina sengipeni lapho ngikuphi parish elungumna phakade la every day. But they don't like those challenges. They just want to come abantu futhi umuntu athi hayi mina ngicela ungiphe umsebenzi ghost. So hlezi ngisho indlela yokuthi ukwazi ukuthi uyifukule thatha lokuncane uqoqo uzufike la omele ufinyelele khona.
Those are good words. Those are really good words. I'm not going to lie to you. Because I feel like sometimes, yes, we have unemployment rates and it's so high. But sometimes I feel like people are lazy at certain times. Because for that, you are helping this person. And until together, we waste 100 rand. When they start generating money,
I cook for 3 days of all and
all of that. So now, I receive, but they do not like to give back. I've seen that too a couple of times. So another one, would you say, you leave the world? Would you say you've done it all? Would you say you are happy with what you have done? Would you say you've made yourself happy to a certain extent?
To answer you, I can even live right now.
No, you will never live right now.
I've lived. That's what I'm saying. What I've lived. Like if I could say, what my goals are making now, I'm a personal goals in now. I should say my goals are 3. Ukuze ngisho ukuthi hayi sengiclockile nje iclocke ngayo.
Yeah, you are done.
Yabo sengiqedile manje yabo. Ngifuna umunye umuzi. I want to buy a house, but it's probably by the beach somewhere. I'm living in Cape Town kanje ngibulwandle lapha. I want to buy myself a helicopter. I want to buy myself a Ferrari 458. Yabo lezi zinto lezi zo 3 as personal lezo. Eyishoyo ukuthi no yazi. Mase ngiqedela hayi cha yabo Other goals nje eceleni asahlele. I want to build a primary school. I also want to build a clinic. Ngithi clinic ngoba angithanda ukuyinweba kakhulu ngibhaye high but isibhedlela angajabula but clinic ngizovula amakhosi definitely.
Phumzile ngabe uyafunda. I think you're literally learning from what Ukosi is saying. Okay, I'm not there. Back to your business. I know Uguti, your business was doing very well, or it's still doing very well, I do not know. But I think last year, Usio Pelunyaga, there were certain few people that were retrenched, should I say, if I'm using the right word. Would you say, is it because you were having it bad in your business, or you just went back to the vision board and Wabonuguti, you just did a lot and it's not working out for you, you're just missing, you're losing money, you're not making profit for your business. When you were counting your revenue as a business, you saw what you're actually losing out. Because you did a lot for the community last time. I'm not gonna lie, you did a lot. You had a lot of people. You had even you came through for that person and people were talking very good about you, which is good for your image and also for your business and also for your reputation as a man. However, my question is, after people are retrenched, I know for a fact you have a management. Maybe your management came back to you and say, Lloyd, this is what we are facing now. We need to cut down there and there and there in order for you to make money. You understand? Because at the end of the day, you can be a good person and want to help people out, but you can't keep losing out in their pockets also. So what could be the reason of people getting retrenched from your business?
The only reason that I would say that people are getting retrenched from the business is obviously stock loss. It's obviously from theft. Those are the two main factors. If I've got 100 people in the yard and I'm losing my personal stuff, sige bisidingo sokuthi babe khona. Angibe nabancane abantu abazokwazi ukuthi benze lento le ngisho, yabo. Retrenchment ngenxa nemali nani. Everything is still the same. I still have the same cars. I still have the same stores. Actually, supply abanye abantu manje ngento yami, supply beauty zone, supply spa njengobani.
Congratulations.
Yabona le. So it's not a matter of imali nani. I'm still helping families ngalondo le. So how do I bring back my losses? I bring back my losses by obviously ukunciphisa istaff so that ngizobuyela ile mali le lahlekile bichontshwa. Yabona le. And obviously most of you about retrenchments, you go back and obviously look who's okay. If I low long swag and so forth and so forth. Not to ganjan.
No, but I don't think any business, as much as you're a business for the people below, I believe so. But you don't want to come across as umuntu oyislima to people.
Yeah, you need to be
a person. You need to show people who's I can go there. You understand? I think it's a good business idea. People see what's okay, fine. If I go and apply there and should I get a job, I'm also eligible, so I can get fired at any given time. You know, so they need to respect you. Everything is going to be okay. Also, the question that I received, what are your thoughts on polygamy?
What am I?
Your thoughts. Ucabanga ngesithembu.
Sithembu. Sidinga imali.
You have one?
Mina nginawo mina. Nkosikazi wami unayo imali yena.
Because you guys are married, I think.
Ngoba kushadile should nayo imali.
But she's not broke. I know for a fact.
Ngiyamupha.
I'm sure you're a clever man, you're a very intellectual man. I'm sure you wouldn't want to give money to your wife.
My wife.
I'm sure you're generating money for your wife aside.
My wife is a clever wife. She works. My wife works for me.
Okay, which
my wife runs a Facebook page, yes. She runs my email. You know when my post and my pop-up. You know, my client is. uyena ongitholela ama-order ka-beauty zone nani. My wife works for me. My wife helped me to grow in me as a traditional chemist and all the other businesses that I have. So I wouldn't say ukuthi ngandlela ubeka ngayo, yabo. Mina ngingabeka ukuthi uyangisebenza. So omunye umuntu engazuthuyeza namanje uzowenzani?
No, not for you. I was just saying, you have money. But the question is...
Ngisho kuleyo point leyo yemali. Ukuthi akusho umuntu nemali. Semele ube nesithembu.
Okay, number one, point taken. So, in general, what is your point on polygamy? Let's just go back to Mselik. I'm sure you know him.
Yeah.
What do you think on polygamy, Jay? Let's go back to culture. Ucabanga nje ngesithembu.
Ngeke ngikwazi ukukhuluma ngeculture engakhulanga ngaphansi kwayo.
Yeah.
Ngeke ngikwazi ukukhuluma ngeculture engayazi nga-understand. Mina into engiyandiziyo nengi-understandayo ngesithembu. Isithembu sidinga imali. Yabona leyo? Isithembu sidinga imali. Imali iphi? Bona amakhani uthatha umuntu isithembu. Banayo imali. Banayo.
No, it makes sense. Honestly, I don't think ukhona umuntu ongafuna ukuseklesha down asekleshele ilutho. And I don't think ukhona umuntu afuna ukusekleshela for a man that does not have a vision and also something to fall back on. Because as a man, if you're taking his team, you need to make sure that you have something to fall back on. If what you're doing at that particular time is not going to work out at any given time for you.
Why does a man have to have something to fall back on? When I also shatalana, what do you have to fall back on? Why you make this temple as when why you make this temple as if when indoda military umntwana?
No, but at the end of the day, it's him.
It can't be at the
It's your vision, right? You initiated this team.
Now when ufuna ukuzongena esithenjini, now uyafuna nje ukuzongena ngithi.
For example, if unkosikazi oqala agrees just because she respects your vision, it's not a mere fact ukuthi sekuyiseni team. It's thembu sakho. The wife was just there to make sure he's supporting you.
Why does a guy needs to have something to fall back on? Kanti abantu abawu-2 yena bazowenzana empilweni yakhe. But when uthi noma umfana indoda ngithi, moyindoda you must have something to fall back on.
Yeah.
Njengoba niyanikho nibawu-2 nje lana. Why do I need something to fall back on? Niya no-2 nikhona. Ayinikhona niya nobabili. Mina nobabili, inini nobabili mabe nifula mina. Manje wena mothi wena umuntu ube nesithembu. Guy must have something to fall back on. No, I can't mind out.
But I think that's the reality. I know what you're saying is true, but I think that's the reality.
You can't say, you mustn't say this is the reality. If you say this is the reality, what you're saying to me, your mama has to me now, and give pile and do show where now.
No, I'm not.
It's this is reality. In other words, you're trying to say to me, that's why I come in and say, reality. Who caused me?
Okay, because I know for a fact also that you wouldn't have a team. You've said that. Because obviously, Istem Sako could be different from what we see now. You understand? Because now it's actually something that is public. We say it and we're allowed to have opinion. You understand? And then amongst it, publicly, I think we've seen Uguti, they've made it a trend. Uguti, they need to be money, they need to be flashy cars, they need to be houses, all of that. And also Uguti, that is Tim Butang and Pale. You understand? I don't know Tim. I've never had a take part in his team. My mother was not part of his team. But what I'm saying, Uguti, what the society have taught us, Uguti, is team needs to have money, and the person who actually initiated the team needs to have something to fall back on because of what the society has taught us. I do not know his team.
What do they bring on the table?
The society has taught us ukuthi lo vumayo usuke yokondliwa and usuke yonakekelwa. That's what the society is actually taking out. But I'm from Milan
One of my clients, I'm a joke upon on Facebook. I don't know if you research at all. Atimundo. I think you're umam goes the Utinga Mundo season and Tatan Minab goes cars. My saying it me about okay, fine, long 6 months contract, in Malako 2 million, is checking credit score. Una, you need title deed, the most, una, in a look book, whatever. Bakhanyisela kancane engqondweni zabo ukuthi lalela mfethu.
You need to bring something in.
Asigibela ama-taxi nonkosikazi wami mfethu. Ubona kade ngitshela driver wami namhlanje. Sidlula lapha kimi niyazi unkosikazi wami wayesebenza lapha mfethu. Ngambuza manje ngangithini kuyena.
That's nice.
Ngehlike etekisini ngime kanje estopini ngithengele imbali lapha uLwets ngime kanje aqhamuka unkosikazi wami imnike imbali singene etekisini naye sibambanizane neimbali
shit
sabe sehle lapha emarket mesehle emarket ngimphelezele yayi lapha nestopini agibela itaxi ahamba eMlazi mase ngiyawokha nami ngidlule lapha nijahwa amaphara lapha eBria lapha hamba yogibela itaxi yaka Makhosi.
Oh, that's nice. Where's your wife coming from?
Mlazi kazi yathi emafezini.
Oh, Ntombazane Semlazi. Oh, that's nice.
Hayi much.
I think in today, I think I've seen a man who loves Nkosikazi wakhe. I've seen nothing but respect. I've seen nothing but loyalty. You're so proud, and the smile in your face when you speak about your wife, it's so amazing to see. And I think to South African people who gonna watch this podcast or who will watch this podcast, I think in one thing that they need to take on, I think you just need to make sure uthando lakho alupheli. But I think also that comes with ukuthi naye is the person retaliating the same energy that you're giving back. You understand? And
Definitely.
I think what you have told me so far, you've just taught me few things. We would say it doesn't have to be about money, about everything. We have to start from somewhere. For the mere fact that you guys were riding with Imbali, taxi in Homeland with no car and everything, and for the mere fact that I would say you've generated a lot of income, you now have cars and everything, and now she's there with you. You guys are actually growing together. She's actually managing everything behind for you. She's your admin. She's everything actually. That literally shows I would say you guys can start from somewhere and be some people one day.
Definitely.
So what would you say we can expect from your business this year? What are you bringing to the community? What can people expect from you? People who follow you, what they can expect from you?
This year, besides the I'm planning to do an annual event for youth, Yamakuta and Mapetel. I'm saying Gamakuta because I'm filming the Lapane grounding.
I've seen you posting something like that.
They declined me. They didn't want to give me the sports ground.
But they gave it to Generous Maman.
Yeah, they didn't want to give me the sports ground. But Pamakuta for quick. The Pamakuta for jazz now.
But I'm so confused. Why would they decline you?
I know Pamakuta is just one of those things. Like even if when I post on their page, they don't approve my posts. I think into the politics
I think people, okay. I think it's only happening because you've done a lot for the community.
And I'm not done yet.
And then you're doing a lot. It's actually giving them a pressure to see what are they doing, because they are getting funds from Uhulmain and they're not doing anything. I've seen kids going barefoot, going to school. I've seen people going office things and they do not get approved. I've seen people lazy and then they have to wait for a longer time. I've seen you buying people houses. I've seen you buying school kids in Ghana. So I think you're coming as a competition to them. Maybe you're gonna take that position or what? If I don't know, I'm just saying I'm allowed to have my opinion. Ningas and Ning Bulal, I'm allowed.
I wanted to answer your opinion. Your opinion you have, sure.
Yeah.
I don't care about you cancela lelo, I don't care ngesikundla secancela, I don't care about anything. I want to learn. Mina ngizento yami ngesikhathi sami ngepace yami ejabule mina.
So, uma uyofuna lela grant vele, who do you go to?
I trained someone. Uthambo usicelela lapha abathi ground asakhishwa lo muntu. Obviously umuntu wayilo yemoto ebhaliwe ukuthi niyenza chemistry. Yeah, so intanja. But there's no hate. Ngisho makuthiwa bayafika kusasa bezongqongqoza kumina. Bethi Ghost besacela 1 2 3 4. If it's something that will benefit the community, I'm always in for it, yabo. If it's something that will benefit someone else's pockets, then I'm not in.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, fanje ukuthi umuntu afike kuwena athi axombole imali Ghost bandla ngiyafika kuwena zamashonisa. I'm not in for that. But come and tell me about your school fees, about your registration, about your bus fare, about your leaking roof, about your groceries, about your fridge, about your bed. Then I'll intervene. But if there's something about another person gaining interest, then
Oh, Hlangan.
Angihlangana naye.
So you've just spoken now about your annual event. Would you give us a brief, the idea that you have for it?
Yes, so annual event ngicabanga ukuyenza i-family fun day, whereas lapho sodonsa khona futhi SAPS basitshengisa ukuthi maybe rate ama-drugs izinja zabo zenza njani, basitshengisa isigebengu mesibaleka izinja zabo zenza njani, sibe nabantu bama-ambulance basifundise i-first aid leyasendlini nje esheshayo ukuthi umoshile kumele wenze njani. Siphinde sibe futhi nama-firefighter basitshengisa umlilo bokucisha kanjani yabo nto leyo SPCA now ufike nezinto zabo basitshela just nje lezo zinto lezo eziningi ezikhona lapha elokishini esibona every day esibonayo ukuthi ezethu ingane la elokishini ziyakhohlwa izona yabo nto leyo. Siyenze leyo nto mesiqeda ukuyenza na ama jumping castle nama hot dog yonke into ikhona kungenwe mahala njalo.
So which is a good idea. I applaud you for that. You're very intelligent for that. Are you bringing someone popular on top of that? Maybe you.
Ofuna ukuza. I'm not gonna book anyone. I'm not gonna pay anyone. Whoever's coming, who is because we are trying to initiative idea. I'm a sponsor. I'll be very happy if I could get not a few sponsors, a lot of sponsors. But my sponsors, it's not a matter of me asking for too much. I want to just so that they can help me. Sound system on us, on us, this on us, this on us. It's a non-alcohol event. Yeah, well, family day, it's full-on family day. Sithenga inyama kosiwe kudliwe yabo ingane zethu zile mahali ingane zethu yabo nto leyo sizama ukwenza order uthi ingane zethu zidle mahali abadala abazoyiphathela bona ama price stand abo nani apha but ingane zibe mahali yabo. So kungaba mnandi ukuba nama big artists that come through and help yabo but obvious abantu futhi basebenzela imali yabo. So uzofuna ukuzogina ngiyabazi o DJ nje abazodlala mahala mfethu abangambami not bazodlala mahala but then like ngingamcela umuntu sasazodlala mfethu uyazi ukuthi one day mfethu Joy J uzongiqalaza mina mfethu yabo hayi ukuthi manje sengiyakubhuka mfethu yabo sesine invoice manje yabo no mfethu ayikho grand lonto leyo.
I have a very interesting story that I followed that you did on social media. This guy Mthobisi. Is it Mthobisi? Now he's working for you.
Oh, Mthobisi.
You did a license for him and you hired him. That was very great of you.
That's wrong.
That was very great of you for the mere fact that you did a license for Omond and then you said, come and work for me.
That's not the only license I've done now as well. I've done most probably over 20 driver's licenses for people.
Which is amazing, honestly, because I feel like people who are not working are fun mostly, buying license in most cases. What you did for Mthobisi, you literally showed us, you've been a boy, you were young before, you know if the feeling of not having money, you know the feeling of not having income. That was great of you. And I feel like, I wish you can still do it and pray that you have more money to do it, because Semhlabeni you will never know. But I'm praying that God keeps you going and actually keep giving you money, because what you're doing for the people of South Africa, or for the people of KwaMakhutha, let me just focus on that part. It's literally very great. I'm not gonna lie. That is why I invited you today, because I was like, this guy has been nothing but a good person, a good citizen of KwaMakhutha, and he's been doing nothing but good things for KwaMakhutha. I would have invited someone else who's a big artist, but no, I've seen igalelo lakho. Yes, you are popular. Yes, you are famous, but the things that you do for the community, it's something that people never be able to say thank you for today. They can say thank you continuously, consecutively, because you've been nothing but an amazing man. So, lastly, what can you say to your followers? I'm not going to say fans because it sounds bad when you say fans. To your followers, what can you say? What for this year? What are you hoping to do for them, or what they can look up for you, social media wise? All of that. People who follow you, people who love you so much, people who scream at you, Emamole, all of that. What can you say to them?
It's the same old, Jabo. Nothing has changed. So you can just legalilana lapho nalapho. Amathuba omsebenzi mekamuka ngizolokhu ngitomula nami lapho nalapho khona ama-graduations azawo manje, I think in April or March if I'm not mistaken. Sebeqalela abanye befaka ama-request manje bacela ama-sponsor nani so banika lowo. Khona abanye ade sibakhokhela last week for ama-registration, kade bakhokhela ama-school fees last year. Yabo kuningi nje sazoqhubeka siwenze. There's a house that I want to build again, second round. Ula ensimbini lo muzi loyo uzobe ngwakhela for a family. Yeah, I think yona any project esoba nayo le, which is not
When
a
the
personal
house
project,
is-
just a project nje.
When the house
That's
is
it,
done,
yeah.
can you come as the media and just to show the people that, you know, will watch this show and just take few
And you know what's the funny part about building these houses? I don't build it with my own money. That's the most craziest part.
you raise funds for them.
Yeah, abantu ngicela imali Facebook, abantu bangifakela 20 rand or 10 rand. I think the maximum transaction I've ever seen is 200 rand. A client, mhlawumbe about 4 or 5, abangisendela 200, abangisendela 200 rand kuleyo period of time. We raised about 130,000 within a space of 7 days.
Wow.
Sami sowakha umuzi. Wakhiwa bahleli kuwona nje manje awuqonsi nane-drop eyodwa.
Wow, that's so amazing.
Yeah,
You are a
fake.
godsend. That's
It's
so
like
amazing.
lento ama-license that sikhuluma kanje manje just sorry by going back, but just to enlighten you. Yabo i-license expire for 5 years. And you just need to keep doing one thing when. Keep renewing your license kuphela wena.
Unikeza ingalo engekaza ingekuphindi isuke
Keep
phezu kwayo.
renewing your license when uyohlezi umoja.
And I'm sure it's not even expensive.
Ngize ngifika kuleyo nto lesitayela lesokwenzela abantu ama-driver's license and stuff. It was I got my license in 2014 when I first had my license. In 2012 ngakumesebenza i-license nobhuti wami ngami ngoshaya i-loan ka-Nedbank ne. Ngashaya i-loan ka-Nedbank, I got about 15,000 kuyilo loan leyo. Mina sohamba siyowenza iy'ncwadi bafu. Leyo loan leyo mfethu ngayenza kuLwesibili. Imali yangena ngoLwesihlanu ngo-3 ntambama. Ingena ngoLwesihlanu ngo-3 ntambama ngisedrobheni ngase-Spangs. Ngihamba nomngane wami. Wathi umngane wami angi-check ukuthi izophuma ngempela yini. Mina ngiyasabi ukuya ku-ATM yabo kugcwele. Wathi asese-Spangs siyoswipe ama-draft. Uyaphela kanje laa mali license.
In one day? 15K?
Sawushaya sawuqeda in one day. Ubafu ngambiza naye wafika wazophuza naye saqhubeka kanje nempilo. Uma akazi indaba yale loan le yaziwa mina nobafu kuphela. I-loan mekuphela inyanga ngingayikhokheli ngaba bangifaka kwi-blacklisting ngiyacabanga. Bangi-blacklist. I only got out kwi-blacklist after 5 years, which is about no, it was 4 years. Ngaphuma ngo-20 bangikhipha blacklisting ngoba 2015. And mina ngiphuma ngo-2015 ikhanda lami lahluzeka kancane ngabona no man yazi bengiphayiza. So that's why I always make sure lento ama-license ihlezi ngigqugquze ukuthi ngenzela abantu ama-license because angifuni
Because you have a story
nami engayenza
behind. No, that's a good one.
yabo.
If you could switch lives for a day, which character would you choose?
In a movie or wherever. Noma yini nje.
No, man. It can
Moses.
be your wife. It can be
Moses.
which Moses?
Mose. Yena
From the
yedwa.
Bible.
Yes.
Why?
Ngifuna ukudabula amanzi. Ngifuna ukudabula amanzi wahlukanisa. Don't you think that's something?
No.
Why?
No, I'm not saying go to that.
Oh.
I just that I didn't expect to go to you would just go for
Oh.
Moses. No, that's nice. I think I'm done with the questions that was given to me by my researcher, and then you answered them, Shem, because I'm honestly,
Uzo
with
jabula.
honest, I'm sure she's gonna be very happy. And also, do you have any last words? Just
No.
want to close the show off.
No, I'll definitely. I'll come see you guys soon. It would be nice if you guys could come step in and see my work. You know.
We wanted to when I called your PA today because I there was a lot of you were busy in Joburg and everything, and then I called him in the morning. I said, we would like to actually come and shoot in your space because, so that we do not convenience.
Yeah, you guys could
in a way.
have came through, yeah, but we can obviously set it up for another a follow up, yeah, or maybe the viewers to come back and say, you know what, I think Ghost didn't explain this kahle, or we have new questions for him now. We want to
Yeah.
know. Yeah, but I'd like to actually tell him about my journey of traditional healing, to where it started, when it started, how it started, what's happening in the background of traditional healing.
No, it's fine. Let me close the show. We're going to speak about that as soon as we are done. Guys, you saw he arrived. You guys know him as a ghost. I'm a ghost. He said whatever that you guys were asking in his comments, and then I did justice by asking all of the questions. So what you can just do for us, just like and subscribe and follow. And please do not forget to actually make sure that you watch the episode each and every Friday. We are dropping on the, I can't mention now, but thank you for watching. This is Logo Fundosi Ustenjwa. See you in another episode. Thank you.